From Tadasana, you can clasp your hands behind your back. So your fingers are interlaced. Then take a big breath in, open to something bigger, and allow your side waistline to get really long. As that gets long, draw your shoulders back so that your shoulder blades come into your heart. Then breathe again fully through all four sides of your torso so you feel evenly expanded. With your inhalation, again, lengthen the spine, draw the shoulders back and the top of your throat back. Take a few more breaths here, and from inside your heart, you can start to stretch straight back through your arms, giving yourself a big shoulder stretch at the front of the chest. If your shoulders are more tight, you may want to use a strap. So you hold the strap behind your back, hold it wide enough so that your shoulders are shoulder width apart, and then do all the same actions. Here with the strap, you'll get more space to lengthen your spine and draw the heads of your arm bones back so the shoulder blades can support your heart opening.